Loves, it's your girl Rachel here. So ladies, it is time to wash my mini braids after having them in for over 3 weeks. Yikes. Usually it's the end of a protective hairstyle when it's wash time, but watch this video to help detoxify, cleanse, and grow your hair while it's in a protective hairstyle. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So what I'm going to be using for this detox scalp treatment is none other than the very loved, very cherished aloe vera leaf. So I didn't know that aloe vera has detoxifying properties, but it makes sense because some people actually ingest this for body immunity, which is amazing. So this is great for so many different things. Also, what I'm going to be using is something that I've used for my body, my skin, and my hair is this apple cider vinegar. So the two of these together create a very powerful detox treatment. That's literally all you need. But I'm going to go a step further and I'm going to add some of this 18-in-1 hemp lavender castile soap. It has a really great smell and it does an incredible job at really cleaning and cleansing and lifting up debris and dirt and oil from the scalp. So this is going to be that like fresh start treatment for the scalp, and it's really going to help you feel good, and it's really going to help prevent itching, dandruff, and dryness in the scalp, which is something that plagues black hair all over the world. But also when you're doing protective hairstyles, it's when you usually feel these symptoms the worst. So let's get started. So I'm just going to slice this open, start stabbing it up really good. Ooh. Oh. And wow, look at this. That is so thick. Ooh, I love using this stuff. I often use this for DIY leave-in conditioners and also for putting in some of my DIY deep conditioners. Look at this. Look at how amazing this stuff is. I got my bowl and my spoon and I'm just going to stab. This is going to get really messy and I'm trying to wrap my head around it. Okay, so I'm stabbing into it like this. When you stab it, oh my, that's when you get up as much of the gel as possible. So we're just stabbing, stabbing, stabbing. So this is super messy. I don't know how I'm not gonna make the biggest mess doing this right now, but just know this is gonna be sitting down here and I'm gonna stab it so you can see, and I'm just going to grab. There we go. The more you stab, the more you actually get so much of that stuff out. There, that's about as much as I have. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, not too much. Because I don't want this running all over the place. Purpose is just to stretch it just a little bit, but as you can see, this is so, you can hardly pick it up. It sticks together. So I know this is really going to stick on the scalp and on the hair really well. Then I'm going to add a little bit of this castile soap because, so like a few drops. Now that smells good. This is what we're going to do. Bam. That looks disgusting. Ooh. I think it's loosening it. Ugh, this is gross. That looks absolutely, that looks disgusting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in this applicator bottle. So pour it in. Woo! Oh my gosh. No, absolutely. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it fell in my, oh my gosh, it fell in my lap and it is literally running everywhere. This is gross. Oh. And it's like worms, like you can't, how am I gonna get this in this container? No, no ma'am, no ma'am, this is disgusting. I'm afraid to put this in my hair. So, okay, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna just, it seems like it works all together, so I'm kind of afraid. Ready, set, go. Look at that. You can't, like, you have to pour it and continue to pour or it's just gonna spill everywhere. That is disgusting. That is nasty. That is nasty. Okay. And see how, like, you have to hold it up for a while. Your girl's been out here growing. You hear me? Boom. It looks really pretty though, still. Like, I don't wanna let these braids go yet, you guys, I don't. Like, you have to really pull it hard. And then, oh, it's not bad. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow, like it's really gonna sit in my scalp. This is incredible. So there's other ways that you can do a scalp detox. You can also use bentonite clay or like baking soda. But what I was not gonna do was get bentonite clay all up in my roots and have a hard time taking it out, because that has literally happened to me and it is not a good feeling at all. Guys, if there's anything that's going to get in the scalp, work on the scalp, and stay in the scalp, it's this solution. Like, this is not really running anywhere unless I like intentionally try to drag it down my hair. Ooh, gross, gross. Ah, gross, gross, gross. In my eye, in my eye. Oh, it's actually not that bad in the eye. This feels so good, you guys. It's not even funny. It's not even funny how good, ooh, and nourished my hair feels. Whoa, this feels so stinking good. Woo! I think I'm gonna try to use this as a shampoo when I take my braids out, because I am feeling this and my hair feels like so nourished and hydrated. So this is looking absolutely incredible. Look at that. Look at that. So in order to get some more of that aloe vera, I just decided to cut off all the spiky ends, and then like I'm about to get my whole head. Yes, this is so nice. I think this is the best way to apply. Oh my. Go on ahead and subscribe, because you know this method is the winner. It's the winner. It is the winner. Oh my goodness. This really takes everything off. But oh my gosh, this feels so good. This feels so good. Anybody who's struggling with their scalp, this is like the best thing. Because that apple cider vinegar cuts straight through the dirt and it literally rinses out your hair like mud. Like it's not even attached to the hair anymore if you leave the apple cider vinegar in long enough. So you saw it on Miss Rachel Adina's channel, so take care of all the itch. Take care of all the itch. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna rinse this out and I'm going to come back. I'm all done washing my hair. As you can see, the curls are straight popping, like popping, popping, popping. So I'm completely done. My hair feels and looks so clean. The parts are squeaky, like squeaky, squeaky, squeaky clean. I did not have to manipulate it too much. Just from having that sitting on my scalp, my head is not itchy. There's no dandruff. There's no irritation whatsoever. What I did notice that was very interesting though, is when I did the DIY, my head felt so hot. Like I was almost wondering like, wait, am I getting a reaction from this? And I think that was from the scratching. Like maybe I had a little bit of like micro tears in my scalp from just scratching periodically. But the burning sensation went away, but my head, like the temperature of my head felt so hot, which kind of convinces me that a lot of blood flow was rushing to my head because something was going on. And blood flow to the hair does optimize and promote hair growth. So honey, if you're trying to do a protective hairstyle and you want your hair to grow, I highly recommend that you do this treatment. So after rinsing it all out, when I was like drying my hair, when I initially wet it, there was so much dirt falling to the floor. Like you could see that the water was a little tinged brown because it picked up so much dirt without me having to rigorously scrub my scalp. And that's the goal. So this is the deep conditioner that I'm going to use, really for the purpose of strengthening my hair after putting it through that treatment and that cleansing process and after washing it. But girl, look, sis, look. This is why mini braids are infinitely better than twists. Notice I still have the same length that I had in the beginning of the video. The same length. Like I don't have to do much of anything. I didn't get much frizz. Let me come right here so you can see like where the frizz actually is. Nowhere. Like nowhere. So this is an amazing protective hairstyle, because you can treat your hair, moisturize your hair, try new things, put hair paint, like all types of different things in your hair, and you still have a protective hairstyle that doesn't look beat up and busted. Like, y'all, I'm not taking this out for nobody. Like, I'm gonna take this out when I'm good and ready. I think I'm gonna let it stay in my hair for probably maybe about a month and a half, like at least. I'm gonna redo the front just so it looks really crispy for when I'm trying to be cute, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. And this product is so amazing. It's so amazing. It smells pretty good. It has moringa oil in it, avocado oil, power greens mix in it, and I mean, I guess it says it like nourishes and transforms the hair for weak, dull, curly, coily hair. I love it. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this on top of my hair and just lightly rinse it with some cool water when I'm done. And I'll probably put my scarf on, and I'm done with it. Y'all, this was wash day. This was wash day, and it was so easy. So for any of you out there who's like, look, I'm tired of the work that it takes sometimes, this is perfect for you. I love this, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna post some pictures at the end of me and my hair looking good and revamped and revived, because I'm definitely going to keep these suckers in for much longer than what I expected after this wash. I didn't think it would survive the wash, but it definitely has. So subscribe if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching this video. Engage me in the comment section. How do you feel about mini braids? How do you feel about this treatment? Are you going to try it? I highly recommend it for whether you have mini braids, box braids, or just your hair is out and you want to optimize hair growth. You want to detox your scalp if you've been having some scalp issues going on. And tell me how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Thank you for your support. Follow me on Instagram, you guys. That's where you often see a lot of my fitness stuff, a lot of my family stuff, and also a lot of my other hairstyles and things that's going on in my life. But I really appreciate your support. God bless. Bye.